Introduction to IP world. Images, text, voice and video, those kind of information are sent and received every day by our laptops, smartphones, TV sets or even cars. Downloading, uploading, messaging, watching YouTube or listening to iTunes. This is very simple today, and almost everyone uses network to send and receive data. But not everyone knows how does it really work, so let's talk about this. When we think that there are over 20 billions of devices connected to network, we could think that it's not possible to well organize such volume of traffic. First, all kinds of information like images, text or videos are understood by devices as symbols, and symbol is the language of machine. Let's imagine that Mike needs to talk to Alice, but she's too far away and doesn't hear Mike. Fortunately, there is a Miu in between that can forward the message from Mike to Alice. But there is one thing, Miu speaks different language, so Mike and Alice need a translator to pass the message. Translator uses AABB symbols, which means hello, in different language. At the other end, message is translated back from symbol AABB to hello message and then sent to Alice. Computer devices that forward information are like translators, and human understandable information is coded in computer language. A and B symbols are represented by 0 and 1, and this is language of machine. You can ask how this is possible to present different words or images with only 0 and 1 symbol. This can be done by adding longer series of symbols. With more symbols, we can create more variations, and thus more complicated content require more data. Remember that downloading a video takes usually more time than text message. This is because video is represented with more symbols than text. By the way, maybe that's why we usually say digital content. Content is represented by 0 and 1 digit, so it's digital. Now, the 0 and 1 digits are called bits. Every 0 is a bit, every 1 is also a bit. Remember, no matter if it's image, video or text, for the computers they are all 0 and 1s. So if there are more than 20 billion devices around the world connected to internet, how those tons of bits are organized into functional network that everyone can send and receive data without mistake, and how those tons are not mixed with bits belonging to other devices? All this is thanks to agreed rule set called protocols. The Internet Protocol, or simply IP, is most known and used protocol in networks. Internet Protocol defines the rules that every device can clearly understand, so can recognize who the portion of information belongs to. As we remember, information is a chain of 0 and 1 bits. This portion of bits is called IP packet, like a packet of bits. Packets consist of bits and is clearly described when going from sender to receiver. Because of tremendous number of devices connected to internet and producing packets every single second, the network is perfectly organized with its structure. Let's imagine big city with high car traffic on the road and many crossroads. Car going from point A to point B passes many crossroads on the way to get to point B. Car A will always trust the road signs and behave instructed by the traffic lights. On the crossroads, it's directed by the signs to get to point B. Now imagine that the car is the packet from your computer going towards B. That is your friend's computer. Packets like cars traverse network devices which are like crossroads. They steer packet with signs to get to point B. When packet gets to the crossroad, it's directed to correct path. The steering process in network is called routing. Routing knows the proper route to the destination and routes the packet from one network device to another to finally achieve the point B. This kind of network devices are called routers. To sum up, we've got end devices which produce symbols that we call bits and form them into packets. More the information to transmit, more bits needed to be sent, and more packets to be formed. To see how end devices and routers learn the correct path to destination, watch our next video about how does router work. To start the learning network fundamentals, watch bits, frames and packets video. Thanks for watching.